Okay, I've just dismantled my PlayStation for the millionth time. Bits of it everywhere. Anyway, circuit board bit on its own. Just gonna whack this in the oven. Oh, it's gone all blurry. Focus. There you go, circuit boardy bit. All right. Let's take it through. Just gonna wrap it in tin foil. Just gonna wrap this in tin foil. Gas mark 6.
What?
13 minutes. It's not preheated, is it, Mum? I don't want to preheat it.
In there. It's, no, it's gone cold.
Oh, good. Because I wanted to heat up slowly.
Is there a zoom on this?
Go on.
Zoom.
Alright. My jacket potato PS3. Tin folder. And then we put it in the oven.
No, put it in the oven.
Or oven. Centre of the oven. Careful that it sticks out the bottom. Gas mark 6.
Aha.
I did it 15 minutes before, but it was a bit melty after 15, so I'm thinking 13 minutes probably, maybe 12. We'll do 12, check it after 12, and if it's nicely brown, soft in the centre. God, this is not going to work this time, is it? The oven didn't bleep, the timer didn't bleep, so I'm not sure how long that's been on for. I think it's been on too long. It smells. I've opened the window because it smells very smelly. I haven't opened it yet because I think it's still quite warm in there. So I'll give it a couple of minutes. Actually, I might just pull it open a little bit. Oh, it's a bit smelly. Doesn't look too melty though. Maybe a bit melty. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably take that out there. I'll get some oven gloves on.
Yeah, it's recording, dude. So, tell us what's going on.
Well, I've just explained, but I'll explain again. I oven cooked it, put a timer on, the oven didn't bleep, so I don't know how long it's actually been on, but I'm guessing, gas mark 6, around 15 minutes. I set it for 13, I rushed in to check it. Smells a bit melty, but not as melty as it did last time.
So, what kind of oil are you using?
Extra virgins.
Extra virgin.
Go on. You can go and play with this.
What oil did he use?
That's my question.
I think it's warm.
It's not crispy.
I'm pretty sure it's not as melty as last time.
It's not done then.
I don't think it is done, you know.
Did you put it on gas mark 6?
Yeah, but I set the timer and it didn't go off, so I don't know whether
I heard the timer when I came in.
Did you? Was it bleeping?
Yeah, it was bleeping. I wondered what it was. I thought your mum had something in the oven.
That was extra.
Obviously, I was wrong.
That was extra. That was extra 5 minutes then, man.
That's long enough for the oven to give up beeping. Actually, I've just noticed how warm this bloody thing is.
I don't know how I won't be doing this to my laptop.
I think I need to put it down for a bit and let it cool down. Maybe on a windowsill.
where things will come along and love the smell of the pie. PlayStation Pie. But that's the next model.
PSP.
PlayStation Pie.
PlayStation Pie. Extra crusty.
It's not too melty this time. Look, the port. Oh, that port's a bit melty, isn't it?
Which port's that?
Which one? HDMI going to go in?
HDMI is fine. It's the old
Oh, that one.
video one. Yeah, I never use that one.
A little bit melty, just on the edges.
Optical one should be alright. It's only optical. Everything else looks okay, doesn't it? Just a bit brown.
All good?
Yeah, except for it's still really warm, so I'm going to have to leave it for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Alright,
Let it cool
we'll be
down,
back
we'll
to
stick
the
it back
results
together.
in 5 minutes or so.
Okay.
Real single core anyway, all the programs and games and things people wanted them for. And
It's cool now.
was worth it, like.
Sounds a bit creakier than it was before, I think. I don't know, it could just be me. Right, let's get all the bits back together and we'll test it. I'm not actually sure what's required on a PlayStation to see if it works. Possibly an on button.
Oh yeah, an on
Yeah. Oh no, that's the on button. There. So, okay. Well, let's just try to turn it on.
Ooh, got a red light. Ooh. We've got green light. Cool.
Why has this gone blurry? Focus time you. There we go. What's it doing? Camera's. That stayed green.
Woohoo!
Cutting this in, and it's working okay.
I think so. It stayed green.
Hey!
So I'll try putting all the rest of it back together and see if it stays green even longer.
Cooked and working. Beepy, beepy, beepy. It's got a PlayStation again.
The 2 PlayStations again.
Hey!
Well, holding that button on doesn't turn it off.
Oh.
Okay, so you can turn it on and off.
Well,
Back to- Okay, here comes the moment of truth. And okay, turning it on. We have a red light. Okay, let me just turn this into the right extension, which is probably HDMI 3. Okay, the right extension on. Stay green.
We have started.
We have start up. Oh yeah! Oven cooked PlayStation.
You thought it wouldn't work again.
I thought I had an oven cooked it a bit too long. Oh yeah!
Let's do it, because we're sitting here tonight and we won't go tonight.
I'm not signing in. Don't forget to plug the internet card in.
So set here Friday night, Saturday night, we're sitting here tonight. You know your bedtime. Wash your car. Go back to work.
Excellent. Works.